What's up, y'all? I'm Waverunners. In today's episode, we are in Biloxi, Mississippi. I mean, as you can tell, we're pretty cold. Look at this guy. I mean, we didn't bring enough clothing, but I mean, I should have brought my neoprene jacket, but we're gonna make it do. Look, we got Janet here. She's got her beanie on. We were supposed to go out yesterday, but a cold front came in and 26 miles of wind gusts were rolling through. So we pushed this off. Today's episode, we're gonna be heading over from this boat ramp, which will be in the video description with the Google Maps link. And we're gonna go way over there, about 12 miles to Ship Island, okay? Now, if you guys don't know what Ship Island is, Ship Island holds Fort Massachusetts. You can also take a ferry over there if you don't come with a boat. It's about $40 a passenger, and they have like a sand bar, like a literal bar on the beach, food, some lounge chairs you can rent, and just a good tour from what I hear. Hopefully the tour guides are there with the state park and we're gonna be able to go and see it. We've got Charles over here. He's about to launch. Brian and Natalie are already in. We're waiting on Turbo and Gunny, and we're gonna head off. I wonder if Milo's coming. Maybe Milo's coming? I don't know if you guys know who Milo is. Turbo and Milo, they live in the Alabama area, and Milo is a trooper. Y'all have seen my dog ride on my Seadoo. Well, Milo has some miles on her legs. She's been riding quite a bit, and I had the pleasure of riding with her the other day. You can see the link to that video above with us island hopping in the Gulf Islands, and man, she can ride. Even better than some of these people, not here, but I've ridden with before. But all right, we are gonna be getting in the water, but we're gonna wait for the rest of the group to get here. Let me go ahead and give him a call and see what's going on. Oh, there goes Gunny right there. Look at it, look at that Gunny. Gunny's putting on the wetsuit.
He's squeezing my big butt back in here.
And he's rocking the Seadoo life hat. And the big booty Jody Dolly. And go ahead and launch
My
this
favorite
guy.
backup person.
If you need me to back up your trailer, I charge $5 at the ramp. I got the earring, it got tangled up in my hair, so that's good. So everybody's in the water. We're about to run through. It is feeling kind of warm now, I'm glad. And I've got these kind of water resistant pants on, and I'm about to throw this hoodie on top of my vest because, yeah, it's not gonna fit under here. Gotta put up the hair. Gotta get the gloves on. What's up? We got Turbo out here. Milo didn't come though, so it's all good. It's pretty rough over here near the ferry entrance. So right now we're gonna go to the back side of the island on the other side where it should be more protected so that we're able to dock just fine or beach the skis or anchor in the water without getting beat up. I gotta make sure everybody made it over here to this cut point and we're ready to go. All right, let's go. I was putting the cap on my, cover on my camera. A lot smoother on this side. Yep, those north winds, we're rolling those waves. How you feeling? Still okay? How's it going? Going
wet,
good?
a little cold.
Just a little.
A little bit. Wait till the way back.
Wait, are you trying to tell me or yourself? Because you know me, I'll fucking run it. How are you feeling? You need an ibuprofen? How was it?
Just 10 more times.
Did you get your second belly button? If you guys don't know what a second belly button is, I don't know, ask a friend, because I'm not allowed to talk about it. Now, Janet, man, let me tell you, Janet can ride. See, she can ride with me any day because she can ride with a passenger. And that's what I like. She can keep up and go fast. See, I gotta play around and wait for everybody, but you know, Janet's out at the, you know, head of the pack right there. And then this one over here, what happened? I thought you were born to go fast too. He was used in the back. Do you see how they have the umbrellas out? Normally, this would be an area to rent an umbrella and some chairs and just have fun in the water. And the water gets really blue sometimes out here, like a blue-green. It's very clear. Right now it's low tide, so I'm guessing not. Welcome to Ship Island, which is located 12 miles off the coast. Like other barrier islands, it serves as an important buffer for the mainland and critical habitat for many species. Shorebirds and sea turtles lay their fragile nests on this island annually. Although Fort Massachusetts was not completed until 1866, Ship Island was used by both Federal and Confederate troops. Calls for fortifying the island began in 1855, and building a fort was approved 2 years later, with construction beginning shortly thereafter. Secession and war halted construction before more than the fort's foundations could be laid. Tell us about this island. You know anything about that? You read it, right?
Yeah. So there's like, you know, a lot of storms that hit this island, and you know, it made it shrink here. And depending on the what is it called, coastline, that's how it grows or shrinks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That's the island.
Got it.
Yep.
Good job. Mississippi troops captured Ship Island in January 1861 and immediately began to establish defensive positions. These positions would be tested as Federal commanders began looking for Gulf Coast footholds to launch raids and major excursions. On July 9, 1861, the USS Massachusetts engaged the Confederate positions on the island, but the battle was indecisive. As the war progressed and Confederate priorities changed, the island was abandoned, and the Federal troops took possession in September 1861. They said the doors are closed to the fort, but I guess we can walk around it. Look, they got a cannon up there too. Usually they take down the cannons on these old forts. That's nice that they left that one up. Go around, try to peek through some windows, see what we can see. Windows open. I sprayed off. Guys, and I know they're like, the wind's so high. How the hell are you getting bit? I got bit by something. My butt's itchy. With its protected deep water, the island proved to be the ideal location for federal forces to launch raids on Gulf Coast cities in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and also supported operations in the Florida Panhandle. One of the park staff is here, so they've offered to open the fort for us. Well, that's awesome. I do need to use the restroom before we leave. Hopefully they'll unlock that also. All right, let's go. Everybody's over there already. Did they unlock the restroom for you?
Here, I got your hopes up, and I don't think.
A few moments later.
Change of plans. The guy couldn't find the master key, or the keys that he had, the master keys that he did have, did not work on the door, the padlock. But I did ask, can I crawl through the window if I find a good one? And he said, yeah, I mean, why not? Heck yeah! All right, so this is exciting. We got this. There's one that's open right there. I could just crawl through it real quick. All right, let's see. Hold it, okay. Let's hold up here for a second. Don't fall in that hole. Oh, got it. Oh, there's no hole. I thought there was a hole. Got it. Going through. Got it. What's down there? I'm in. These are casemates. They are arched rooms on the lower level of the fort, providing support for the upper level and a protected firing position for a cannon. In 1873, 13 10-inch Rodman cannons were mounted in these casemates and were situated to fire through the embrasures. This is a hot shot furnace. It's a coal-fired furnace that was meant to heat cannonballs intended to set wooden ships on fire. Although common to the coastal forts, this furnace was never used. This area is the Terry Plain. From the Terry Plain, soldiers operated 10 cannon positions covering the pass. Unlike a smoothbore cannon, projectiles fired from rifled cannon had greater range, accuracy, and destructive power. Two 100-pounder Parrott rifles protected the fort's eastern flank. The 15-inch Rodman weighs 50,000 pounds and fired a 400-pound cannonball 3 miles. In 1873, this cannon was raised over the fort's wall and mounted here. Right here, you'll see us going down the stair tower. It's a 3-spiral granite staircase that was built to use less space and provide protection against enemy fire. Man, the water is beautiful over here. Now I could see why they put these beach chairs and umbrellas over here, because look how clear this water is. We didn't get any. All right, so we're back in the water. We're about to say bye to Ship Island until next time. And now we're heading over to Cat Island. It's not too far, it's just a jump over. And then it's like a triangle back. Like basically, you know, just like that. So where we launched was over here, and then we went to Ship Island, and then Cat Island's over here. And there you go. And then there's another island that's in the back, and it's a longer one. But we don't have time to go see it today because some people have to leave to head back home to Houston and be back by a certain time. So it's okay. There's always next time, and we're for sure coming back. Alright guys, so we just got to Cat Island, and let me tell you, look how pretty it is over here. Got the skis all anchored out right over here. Everybody else is over here. You know what? I've noticed that every island is a bit different, and I like it. This is what the adventure is about exploring, being able to meet a group of friends that you can take out with, you know, and explore together. If you don't want to do it by yourself for 60 pieces, at least just have fun. But this is what life is about for me, is going out, exploring, going on an adventure, and look at this. Look at this water. It's amazing. Check out these drones. We are going to be getting face cold water. And maybe well, we're good. Y'all, so we're back here at the RV site. I forgot to get some video while we just got back to the dock. It was very choppy, but we still had a good time. We made it back safe in one piece, and now we have to do some cleaning because tomorrow we're heading back home. But thanks again for riding away with me on this whole Mississippi series. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. And if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But until next time, see you guys on the water.